What's up, folks? Your buddy Fatalroadie. Welcome back to Roadie Snacks. We're going to be trying out the Blackout cake Oreos. That looks like, I think we picked them up at Walmart, I think. So, if I can find out where to open these things, I'm going to try them out.
12 sleepless hours later.
Double chocolate. Not bad. After the creamectomy. They're pretty good. Big on the chocolate flavor. I didn't worry about trying the cookie because it's the, you know, you've seen an Oreo cookie, you've seen them all. So if you like chocolate, those are good. Give them give them a 3.5 out of 5. I'm not liking them enough to give them a 4, but they are really, really good. Like I said, I think we got these at Walmart. They're the Blackout cake Oreos. They're really good. Definitely recommend getting them. And that'll do it for this episode of Roadie Snacks. Leave a comment down below if you had these before, what you thought about them, what you thought about this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I've been Fatalroadie. You've been awesome. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, if it's too loud, you're too old. See ya.